Hey you guys, this is Riley here with Learn With Me. And this time for Sourdough Sunday, we are getting into some of our sourdough biscuits. Let's go! I mean, look at this, you guys. This is perfect. Look at that. And you can see the steam even coming off of that. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be the video for a sourdough Sunday. I'll try to post more for sourdough and sourdough Sunday, but like I said, I'm gonna do the best I can. Let me know if you have any suggestions, and I hope this video is an improvement on my last one. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and I appreciate each and every one of your comments, especially your Al Gore's rhythm comments. I love it. That's pretty awesome. Do appreciate you guys feeding into that algorithm. You guys have any questions or need anything, please leave a comment. Otherwise, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I will appreciate you guys greatly. Stay awesome, you guys. Stay awesome.